I seriously hope you guys bought XRP. Like I told you in my video yesterday, was probably a really good idea. And guess what's happening? The market is bouncing, and it's quite possible. It's quite possible that a local bottom for the short term is in. What I think is going to happen, ladies and gentlemen, is that cryptos have potentially bottomed in the short term and that they are going to be heading up. I think altcoins, especially XRP, Cardano, Solana, Dogecoin. There's a bunch of really good coins. I think in the short term, we are going to see a really strong bounce, which will probably end up getting rejected, and we will probably end up crashing again. That's honestly what I think is going to happen. But there's a couple bullish scenarios that could be playing out. There's a couple of scenarios that you need to be aware of. It's getting absolutely crazy, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ahead and dive into the charts. Let's see what's actually happening. First and foremost, ladies and gentlemen, what we could see is that Bitcoin had crashed. Guess what we did? We took out this low and we've now reclaimed this support, which is a very bullish event. It's called a swing failure pattern. So Bitcoin right now is about $83,000. A very strong reaction there as well. The stock market also finding a very strong reaction at the lows, just like Bitcoin and cryptos are finding as well. The NASDAQ finding strong support. We have gold bouncing very, very hard. This is typically a bullish thing. That's what you want to see with cryptos. But Bitcoin holding this support regardless. And this is very, very bullish. Yes, we've tried multiple times to break down from here, but we will not break down, and we keep holding this level, which is a very, very good sign in my opinion. If we take a look at XRP, something very bullish for XRP, if you zoom out, you can see, just like I mentioned in my video yesterday, every time XRP comes into this level, this particular area, we get a huge bounce. And it's already happened about 6 times. And every single time we come here, we get a massive bounce. We are at this level where we bounce. There's a lot of buyers here. Historically, buyers show up. This is where they love to buy, and they love to sell towards this region here. Once we get to this region here, around 250 to 260 and above, this is typically where you're going to want to sell. So we've been ranging in here all the way since the beginning of December, back and forth, back and forth. Yes, we've made new highs in January, but we are essentially ranging. And I think we could potentially come back up to like the 260 region for XRP. I think this would be quite likely. That's what I think is going to happen. I do think that the lows are in for maybe a week or two. We also have CPI tomorrow. That's going to be absolutely critical to see what's going to happen tomorrow with CPI. So there could be more volatility. There could be another sell-off tomorrow with CPI depending on the data. We have more ETFs for XRP getting filed. This is extremely bullish for XRP, guys. It's going to be crazy. The XRP ETF is going to be approved soon, especially some of these other ones. It's going to be crazy. The SEC case should likely drop soon. We are also having Ripple XRP going to be included in this strategic crypto reserve. So there's probably going to be more details and developments on that soon, which is likely to pump XRP. It's looking bullish after such a strong sell-off, ladies and gentlemen. I am bullish. I am bullish. We bought the lows in the Patreon. We've been scaling in for the past few days, and now we are going to be waiting patiently for this pump. We are also up massively on our Bitcoin long profits that we made today. So congratulations if you're in the Patreon. We're making profits every single week, guaranteed. Make sure you guys join the Patreon so you know exactly the moves I'm making with my community, when I'm getting in, when I'm getting out of every single position. Also, make sure you are using ALGOSNIPER. This indicator will visually tell you when to sell, when to buy. It is absolutely critical that you use this indicator. You guys can try this thing today for $1 at algosniper.com. As well, make sure you guys are trading over on Bluefin. This is where you can long and short cryptos up to 150x leverage. But most importantly, you guys can get up to a $100,000 deposit bonus by signing up with my link. If you sign up with my link, you're going to have the cheapest fees on the internet, period. That's going to be it, guys. So make sure if you guys got anything out of the video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing, notification, follow me on Twitter, and I'll see you later.